What's up, y'all? SCS on new box, man. So I was going through and seeing what nuts and bolts I had for this grill. You know, this is what I had, but that's too small. Let's see, this too big. This like a M10. So I'm gonna take this right here to Ace and go get me some bolts about 1 inch. Should be all I need. Yeah, about 1 inch. I know if it fit through the car, it fit through the grill. So I ain't even gotta go get the grill out of my office. We're gonna get us, I think it's 6 mounting points. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go down to the grill and confirm, so I don't have to be buying a bunch of extra stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one with me. All right, in my office, so where everything gets shipped and stitched. But yeah, so it's 5 mountain bolts. And man, I had a box. I had everything that came with this grill. I actually bought this grill from Mr. Hensley, 87 Chevy thing. I bought this grill from him for my first deployment, 2016. I bought this right after I made that grill on that car. Bunch of rotations, 2 deployments, field exercises later. I'm able to put this grill on. It's about to be exciting for me, man. All right, we made it. This is a brand new Ace Hardware in College Park. You should go to one in East Point, man. It's just much farther. Oh, I go this one right here, 5 minutes. I read y'all comments on the grill. So a lot of people saying, keep it, keep it, keep it. Man, I got like 2 or 3 factory grills. I can make that grill over. I can make this grill over in no time. But I don't know for a fact I'm never gonna use this grill again. So that's why I was saying I could do a giveaway on it. Now, my first console, my console templates, all that type of stuff, I know I don't want to get rid of, because I just keep it in my office and I look at it. But enough of that rambling on. You gotta take all these out when you put your new grill in, man. You gotta take all these out. These things broke anyway from being in the weather. It's already cracked. I wonder if I could buy another one of these. I don't even know what the name of it is. I just brought my little LED light that I use for my table. Brought it over here, so I got some light. I remember when I put it on, now that I thought to think about it. But wasn't never on to stay on, so I'm gonna post the picture. I'm gonna post the picture when it was on. So I just bought a whole box of washers because I ain't want to keep going back. I use washers often, so this is a plus for me. The store had music playing, so I'm gonna cut the music off because I couldn't talk. But I did the locking nuts because I don't want it to shake loose, which I never heard of it happening, but I just don't want it to happen. $1 million smile. All right, we almost there. Shoot, all we gotta do is tighten it up. So, Milwaukee, I'm waiting on my sponsorship. I'm using my Milwaukee ratchet. That thing be coming in clutch and tight space. You just press a button instead of wrench, take it off, or ratchet. You just press the button, and it'll tighten till it can't tighten no more. And you just turn it a little bit, and you good. I'm looking for my little 1/2-inch wrench. I think I'll put it back in this toolbox. All right, man, we back. So yeah, the grill got a little defect. Took it all back apart, checked it out, but yeah, that's what it is. The tab that I bowed into is too long, so it don't pull it. But I could bend it back in shape. But it start making crackling sounds, so know what that means. Leave it alone. Let's put a little spray wax on this thing so I get a little shine on it tomorrow, so I get me a good thumbnail for y'all. But like I say, they fitment is on point, man. There's just some stuff that was like on at least 2 cars, because he sold it to somebody and somebody else sold it, but he sold it for them and I'm the one that bought it. I bought that thing quick too, man. I remember when it popped up about Chevy wheel, repost, I was like, nah, bro, that's sold, that's mine. My bad. My bad, I remember that. But yeah, it's my second hand Gen 2. I think I paid 700 ship at the time. It's crazy, this same grill. I've been offered more than that, but I ain't want to sell it. When all the Tiarra stuff was dead stock for Florida Classics, so many people were like, you want to sell it? Nope. Nope, not really, but I will if I have to. I would just upgrade it to me a Gen 3, but I ain't really want to sell it in the first place. So thing on that clean, man, I'm gonna go ahead and cut y'all back on tomorrow. Edit this tonight, add whatever I put on tomorrow. Definitely gonna bring it out, give me a couple pictures so I can advertise myself. But other than that, man, let me go ahead and clean up my mess. Nothing today. And I'm gonna go ahead and be out tomorrow. Got my flip-flops on. But I'm gonna give y'all a daytime view on this grill. If anybody interested, I'm about to have 18 of these grills. Let me get my back deck off. 18 grills, man, coming. I put in an order for 10 a month ago, and I just put in another order for 8 more. 18 grills. I'm trying to keep my stock up. Every time I stock these, y'all always said it, man. Every time I stock the grills, it be gone, like instant gone. A week. I bought 7 grills last time. All the box Chevy grills were sold in a week. All but one. That's why I don't do no hoes no more, because I said I'm not doing hoes. And I did it for somebody I knew, and he changed his mind. And I had to sell it for a little bit less because I had that shop stuff going on. So I was like, I ain't never doing that again. And that's why I put it in all my stuff. No hoes. I'm not holding nothing. But we about to give y'all that footage. Put the light on for you. I got it. I got it. Hit me up, man. I need some gas. It's trying to warm up. It's cold. Cold, boy. It ain't even all that cold. Coming from Chicago, it ain't all that cold, but it's cold to me, man. Put this thing back up. I got a little bit of garage, man. I'm still geeked off that, man. we out. Oh, we about to be out. Let me talk to y'all for a quick second, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I just had a successful raffle that took place for a digital dash for a box Chevy, black red, 77 through 90. I was gonna start giving out the wiring for it, but it's so simple. Like, if you don't know how to wire the thing, like if you don't know how to wire it, I don't suggest you try to do the install, because I could tell you what every wire is. If you don't do wiring, it's not gonna be like helpful to you because you don't do wiring. So I might do another one next week. I was gonna run it right back, but I'm still geeking. You gotta live in the garage, man. Ain't a dunk on me, man. But anyway, man, yeah. So I think I'm gonna have another raffle next week. I ain't trying to ruin nobody Christmas or no kids stuff or nothing. But a lot of people keep saying run it back, raffle the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that other raffle. I'll probably lower the numbers and up the entries so it'll be more interesting. But y'all definitely stay tuned. That grill looking clean on that thing. Can't wait to get the next load. Like I said, we got 18 grills coming. So if you want to put a deposit down prior to the stuff coming, you can, but you cannot put a deposit once it's here. And I'm not holding anything. I need to come up with some stipulations, man, because there's a lot of people that do that too. When they get stuff made, they put the deposit down and wait 6 weeks before they pay for the rest of the stuff. Holding my money up. But I'm gonna holler at y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna come back out here and make another video in a second. I'm out.